Anggona VTFM Outspalangi, K-Punches, new cream biscuits, so creamy with every bite.
Ya benar ni anda benar aturan maram na dorbo kena ngone lewa ni bulu benar karagone ni sabutumaya na mataka ni baga dambe sige ni kwa. A very good morning to you all.
Yes.
Tuning in this morning Outspalangi show.
Wow.
And mataka benar ni kwa dabaw ni benar na beto ko ni benar ni company to toka. O they new cream biscuits, so creamy in every bite. Bulu benar.
This morning.
Okay.
It's been like half cooked weather.
Okay.
Feel the
The
rain.
The rain.
But thankful to the above,
Right.
above
Yeah, right,
for
right.
giving us a stand
Right.
for overcoming yesterday.
Who is above?
So we still Red Riding Hood
Yeah.
this morning.
Wambolo tani meke mni nasema tumela mni lori taxi na mini basa oni ando bata boli chuma na mataka bina kendai TJ LM49 bolo bina ka tabalengo bina bali besar nasema tumai na mataka Nicole Osena na bambolo taltungan ngor John Kumar Maimbara
and John Kumar again.
alright
Brother from Singapore.
Yeah.
Serian Angoro.
Yeah.
Good morning, all the bodies.
Sa Maramandriu.
Oh, Deus. Mula binaka Deus and Meli Netherlevu.
Oh,
Yeah.
Julum.
Muchus dola bina haule.
Hey.
Thank you so much for tuning in
Alright.
on Radio VTFM in this wonderful morning.
okay yo Wednesday it's
Wednesday.
midweds
Yeah.
we in America we weds yeah it's midweds yeah, don't look at me
Push up,
look
push
at the
up.
camera
Push up.
yeah
How many days you have?
2 days. Only 2 days in America.
Okay.
Yeah. 2 days.
Yeah, okay. Hindi na tak.
Yeah.
There's another America in Netherlands.
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. The small America.
Yeah.
In there,
Guarda daw muna puta.
a camembert.
Hey, good morning to Baba Sharmaya. Yotamale Odingu.
Yeah, ba?
Tuning in from Australia.
Is it back in Australia?
Yeah, back in Australia.
Yeah, the fella came to the village, never come to me.
Okay.
Only roam around, go like this. Fella, afraid, eh?
Huh?
Kaya to rare ba kayo?
Yeah, because one thing he afraid about of you.
Why?
Because he afraid about Big Mac.
No. Hey, banda tukani bina wala usara siya matumay.
Hey, good morning to Lewan Tapetawalu.
Right.
Tomasi
Right.
Cecilia Buta Mbula Binaka.
Right.
And yes, John Kumar again.
Yeah.
Okay.
The happy birthday thing.
Yeah.
Like Grace Lee Mbula Binaka, Ben Daniel.
Right.
Serena Gor again.
Right.
Iyo. Yes.
Wanda tal tukami bil laisenia, yan ramna ka turang tahu bina wala usara na sar chukmay. Gon na turang ko ya.
Ode Merambe.
Ode Merambe.
Who?
Sireli Mangala too is watching.
Eh?
Sireli
The
Mangala is
namesake of
watching.
him.
No, him.
Him.
Oh, OB. As gang school together in RKS, but the fella young, eh? As gang celebrating 100 years.
Yes.
This year.
Coming
What?
coming next. We are on the
You on the
Germany.
move. You on the move.
Kami misa tingon kami tuba-tuba.
Okay.
We will doing one
Not the
big
RKS
thing.
only.
When Rotuluke will celebrate the 100 years,
Yeah.
everyone on earth, no one will be here.
Who will be gone?
Oh, everyone.
Right.
Right.
Ratu kanda mula school.
Right.
And kira morte itu na donan ron yang baki. Some of them they are gone.
Yeah.
of them
Rest
are
in
gone.
peace to all the OBs.
Right.
Like-
too.
OGs too.
Right, yeah.
Karena boleh mena ratu kanda boleh school.
Right.
Sa boleh tu nangonongko.
Right.
Karena maru tiko pa mi bitu ne itu tini wasin di bulingko.
Doon lang.
Karena lu benta.
Right. Our story.
Okay, we are transformed to a new story now.
Okay.
Okay, this is a transformer.
All right.
This is a story about one fella
All right.
who, way back in the days,
Yeah.
1973,
Right.
where people hardly see the people coming to our village.
1973.
So one day there was
Just tell us your DOB.
a digger.
Okay.
There was a company that was working like a PWD. Salah.
Oh.
Katakan salah.
Yeah.
And it's like the first time when the bus came to Wainunu.
All right.
Oh, you go to maybe. So this was the one they doing the PWD.
Constructing the road.
Yeah, they're constructing.
Right.
They cutting or constructing.
Yeah.
They are formally in the form of cutting.
Yeah.
So
They cut everything.
cut everything me kai lah.
Yeah.
So when they cutting.
Yeah.
So the digger, the kato,
Yeah.
the grader, the caterpillar,
Yeah.
crossing Unisala. People and the children now was in the water.
Yeah.
They were swimming.
Yeah.
And it's like the lemon inside the water.
Right.
They'll form some new thing like a diesel.
Right.
Yeah.
Rainbow color.
The liquids.
Right.
Liquids.
Yeah.
So when they go, the only liquid they know, they kill
Mosquito
cow.
net. Oi.
Yeah, when they kill cow for funeral.
Yeah.
On mau like that, So the only thing that they coming is sa uro, nakena uro.
Yeah.
Urun din boka.
Ndondro somo mai.
Yeah, because in the water
Charbi.
you will see, yeah, the charbi will coming on the surface of the water.
Yeah.
So when the caterpillar, the grader, the cutter, the digger pass gone by the water.
Yeah. Cross the river.
Cross the river.
Yeah.
The diesel like on the tire,
Yeah.
the what you call
The
the
diesel on the tire.
reels.
The oil.
Yeah.
Used to
The diesel
you.
coming because they use the
Yeah. Screwdriver.
they coming.
Yeah.
So when they coming across the water, the
Bataw.
grease,
Yeah.
the grease. The grease they come on the surface of the water.
Yeah.
The people are watching. Hare, they calling the grandpa.
Yeah.
Ay.
Uh.
Or they talking in the Fijian like
Yeah.
this.
Ebe.
Ay, ebe. Iba.
Iya.
Ay, ebe.
Iya. Belukana.
Atuno ko orto sangga into na grade uro. Balito ni rando rida nga naura nang ona mo kinambul makaw.
Iya.
Ko ni pasiki na bango ni diri mena kana diri ako baka
The
kana
liquids.
uro.
Iya.
Na liquid sa banga ngo orto na lalaya. Korto lalangon. Ay kuku. Sangga into hindi nakatabi lauro. Dito sa rida na
Ano to sa redor to na weni way.
iya na winwe ni sa diri mai.
Ah.
Sa gorong-gorong at simber nga orang ko nang ngo.
Iya.
Ay kuku. Sangga into nakatabi lauro.
Kata bila urus. Balete di sadir tu mana kan ururo.
Bater ndo kilanga ira
Iya.
ni nga nambul makaw
Iya.
way bango ndo diri kina nakago.
Wai nunu koi. Na boleh besar macam gori.
Tong masih kau tia.
Right.
Rosa
Jack tahu tu.
Iyo, Jack tahu tu.
Right.
Tong tu yo. Isa mo mbaba Sharmaya de.
Ayo.
Kono ba sewa.
Right. Carry vibes puna boleh besar. Baba Sharmaya wana nabu no mungal mai bichi bat sang sartu ni wana nabu. Iko baka mo chai bo chiko yo wana nabu. Kacet tamu
Iya.
turang tahu bina boleh besar na siya tumay na buron lebu may Amerika pamula be Thomas Ikauchia be ejecta buto makubuna bula benaka
Tahu orto mena wanga?
Sanga mena korongori
Oh, isu.
mere bitu kawalu ndo yan rabenaka merlita lesu dika itonga bina boleh besar kitu orto ai ebe kuku
Ebe. Sangga indo nakatabi lauro. Leme ora na.
Gabriel Modex mbula binaka.
right
Saruti matani singa mbula binaka.
bulu benaka
Aris mai tabale from
oi nanti ko
Nendi reki.
rege orang jena ya mambol taltungan di kalbeci mukudede yang rabina ka reki ratu saila sa badala bakada wana nabu chuko hiya wana nabu set chuko wana nabu
Yang baltan yo iko mi katunu mo ko kasi tunga.
tu sartunga mina kor na ngona ngay dikido ko ya mabula di becobes talitakan ouch palangi show na matakani kuar beto kon di punjes dono mo likes dono mo share share takan mo page ko lebana mera sarap talanga no mo friends